Welcome! There is an all-new infotainment system by Kia. Ready to explore its exciting features? Welcome! Let's get started. When you start your vehicle, you'll be greeted by the Welcome Home screen. The Welcome Home screen presents everything you need in one place: destination information, current location, weather, and even your calendar. How convenient to have all the essential information right there! Our infotainment system features a simple design, making it look even more appealing. In addition, the enhanced and convenient interface provides you with the optimal user experience. Wow! Already impressive! Now let's explore the key features one by one. Hard key buttons. Located below the infotainment system, these buttons allow you to move effortlessly to different screens. Press the Home button to instantly access the home screen. Need to view the map? Just press the Map button. Press the Search button to move to the search screen quickly and easily. Use this search screen to effortlessly find navigation destinations, access settings or menus, etc. by entering the desired search information. In short, to go quickly and directly to a specific screen, just use its convenient hard key button.
Quick Control and Home Card. Let's see how to set up Quick Control so that you can easily and quickly adjust frequently used functions. We'll also show how you can create your own personalized home screen. Do you find it inconvenient to go into settings every time you need to change something for frequently used functions? Now, no matter which screen you're on, you can simply touch the top of the screen and swipe down. The Quick Control screen will appear. Here you can instantly change settings, such as screen brightness, voice guidance, and sound effects. You can also press the Settings button to choose which cards to display in Quick Control. With a long press on a card, you can move it to a new position that is better suited for your use. It's really convenient to be able to access frequently used functions easily and quickly. One more thing. You also have the option to rearrange the cards on your home screen. The card I use the most is too far back. I should move it to the front for easier access. Simply apply a long press to the card you want to move. Drag it to your desired position and let go. That's it. I've just created my own home screen. It's absolutely perfect because all the cards I use frequently are right at the front. Split Screen. Let's learn about the split screen feature that allows you to view various content without switching screens. First, let's try swiping from right to left on the infotainment screen. The split screen appears. You can easily view various types of information without the hassle of switching screens. Simply swipe the split screen up or down to conveniently access information, such as sports game updates for your favorite team, a compass, a clock, and even today's weather forecast. That's incredibly convenient, isn't it? Here's all you need to remember.